Today, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers of 2025, from smart upgrades and ceramic coatings to multifunction ovens with huge capacities. Starting strong with the Cosori TurboBlaze 9-in-1 air fryer, packed with innovation all around. This model uses TurboBlaze technology, running a powerful 3,600 RPM fan and cooking at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you restaurant-level crispy results every time. You also get 5 fan speeds, 9 cooking functions, 4 turbo modes, and over 100 in-app recipes. The ceramic-coated basket and tray are durable, non-stick, and totally dishwasher safe. It's quiet too, operating at under 53 decibels, perfect for peaceful kitchens. And with a 6-quart square basket, you get more room for family-sized meals without taking up much counter space. If you want speed, power, versatility, and healthier frying with 95% less oil, this Cosori is a top choice for 2025. Up next, the ultra-popular Ninja 4-in-1 Pro, offering powerful performance at a great value. It uses air crisp technology, blasting food with 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. The 5-quart basket fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for families. It heats fast, cooks frozen foods in minutes, and the basket and crisper plate are both non-stick and easy to clean. If you want something reliable, compact, and consistently great, this Ninja is a perfect addition to your kitchen. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. If you want something compact but powerful, this Chefman 4-quart air fryer is ideal for quick meals for 2 to 4 people. It features high fry technology, letting you boost the temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the last 2 minutes for extra crispiness. The digital control panel includes 4 preset cooking modes, a shake reminder, and automatic shut-off for safety. Its sleek, compact design saves space while still providing enough capacity for family snacks or meals. Plus, both the basket and rack are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Perfect for dorms, small kitchens, or anyone who wants fast, easy meals with less oil. Now for something massive. The Emeril Lagasse French door air fryer oven. This is a full-on multi-cooker, offering 24 cooking functions, digital controls, dual speed fans, and a gorgeous stainless steel French door design. The toast feature automatically shuts off when the timer ends. No more burnt toast. And the interior light lets you check progress without opening the doors. If you want an air fryer, toaster oven, roaster, dehydrator, and more, all in one premium appliance, this is the one to pick. And finally, the Chefman 10-liter multifunctional air fryer, a great all-in-one powerhouse for large families. This model can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even rotisserie. It heats quickly with no preheating required, thanks to rapid air technology. You get 17 presets, a big easy view window, and interior lighting so you can monitor your food as it cooks. The 10-liter capacity is perfect for meal prep or cooking big batches. And the dishwasher's safe parts make cleanup super simple. If you want convenience plus versatility in a larger size, this Chefman model delivers excellent value. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which air fryer you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching Pick My Trends. See you in the next video.